Hello students, today we will do the topic countable noun and uncountable noun. First let us understand the meaning. Countable noun are some names that can be counted with the help of numbers like animals, plants, leaves. These can be counted. And uncountable noun are some names that cannot be counted like butter, cheese, hair, jam. These cannot be counted. So they are known as uncountable nouns. Now, first let us understand more about countable noun. Countable noun are the names that can be counted. So it is of two forms. First is singular form and second is plural form. Singular form is when we talk about only one thing, and plural form is when we are talking about more than one thing. So if we are talking about one girl, it is a singular form. If we are talking about three girls, then it is a plural form. Now let us understand that how we change from singular form to plural form. This is a singular form and this is a plural form. When we talk about one thing, it is a singular form, and when we talk about more than one thing, it is a plural form. So here it is one car. So we will write here car. Car is a singular form. And for 1, 2 and 3 car, we will use the word cars. We will add s to it. So this becomes a plural form. Another example. Here there is one toy. So we will write here toy. Toy is a singular form. And here there are more than one toy. So we will write here toys. We will add s to the word toy. So it becomes plural form. Let us understand some rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. This is the first rule to change the singular form to plural form. To the most words we add s to make it a plural form. So in the singular word we add s to make it a plural form. Like examples are, this is coin. To make it a plural form, we will add s and it will become coins. Similarly, swing, swings, dog, dogs. So we simply add s to the word to make it a plural form. Second rule. To words ending in f, we add ves to make it plural. So the words that are ending with f, we add ves. Let us understand this with an example. Thief. This word is ending with f. To make it plural, we will add ves. Remember, in this, we remove this f and then we add ves. So we removed this f and added ves. So second is leaf. It is also ending with f. We will remove this f and add ves. Next, wolf. It is ending with f, and if to make it plural, we will remove f and add ves. So the words that end with f or the word that has an ending sound of f, we add ves to it. Third rule. To words ending in s, ch, sh, x and z, we add es to it. Let us see some examples. So these are the singular words and these are the plural words. So this is box. It is ending with x. So to make it plural, we will add es. So the word is boxes. Similarly, match. It is ending with ch. We will add es to it. Matches. Glass. It is ending with s. So to make it plural, we will add es to it. It will become glasses. Bush. It is ending with sh. To make it plural, we will add es to it. So es, the word becomes bushes. So when the word ends with s, ch, sh, x and z, we add es to it to make it plural. Fourth rule. To words ending in a vowel plus y, we add s to it. So when a word is ending with a vowel and Y, we add S to it. Let us see some examples. Boy. So this word is ending with a vowel O and Y. OY is at the end. So we will add S to it to make it plural. So the word becomes boys. Next, key. So there is a vowel E and Y. They are ending with EY. So to make it plural, we will add S to it. Next, tray. A is a vowel and Y. So in the end, there is A and Y. To make it plural, we will add S to it. So the words that are ending with a vowel and Y, we add S to it. Fifth rule. Two words ending in a consonant plus Y, we add IES. Consonant are the letters other than vowels. So if a word is ending with a consonant and Y, we add IES. Let us see some examples. Story. So this word is ending with R, that is a consonant, and Y. So what we will do to make it plural, we will add IES. So first in this we will remove Y and then we will add IES. So the word becomes stories. Next, baby. This word is ending with B and Y. So what we will do, we will remove this Y and add IES. So the word becomes babies. Diary. This word is ending with R, that is a consonant, and Y. So what we will do, we will remove Y and add IES. So the word becomes diaries. So when a word ends with consonant and Y, we add IES to it by removing this Y. This is the sixth rule. Some nouns do not form plurals in the usual way. These are irregular countable nouns. So there are some words which are not made plural by simply adding S or ES. The word changes its form. So let us understand this with an example. Person. To make it plural, we use people. The word is changed. Man. If we want to make it plural, it will be men. M-E-N, men. Child. For making it plural, it will be children. Goose. So to make it plural, it will be geese. These are the irregular countable nouns. So there are 6 rules for changing singular nouns to plural nouns. Now let us start with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted with the help of numbers, like milk, juice, music. These cannot be counted, so they are uncountable nouns. Abstract nouns are also uncountable. Now what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the words that tell us about quality, idea or feelings. These are abstract nouns like love, care, helpfulness, courage, fear, happy, sad. These are abstract nouns and they are also not countable. So they are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Some nouns cannot be counted. They are known as uncountable nouns. To make it plural, we add some, few, enough, a little, etc. To make it plural, we add these words. Let us understand this with an example. Water. If we want to make it plural, we will add some water. Jam. For jam, we will put a little to make it plural. Sugar. We will say much sugar to make it plural. So, to make uncountable noun plural, we do not add S or ES to make it plural. We add some, few, enough, a little. Like these words we use to make it plural.